Hello everyone, this is Sean. Today we are going to talk about how to make a cap with your PooLin EOM. And before we start, let's get all the tools and supplies ready. You will need a cap driver, a cap station, a cap frame, the hat, stabilizer, scissors, and 4 clips. Now install the cap station onto the table and tighten the locking knob to secure it. Next, attach the cap frame to the cap station. Add the stabilizer, then place the hat onto the frame. Take a moment to align the center of the hat. This step is very important for accurate embroidery. Press the cap frame chain down along the edge of the brim. After that, pull the hat downward to make it tight, and use the clips to secure the back of the hat to the cap frame. Finally, press the 3 release latches and remove the cap frame. Insert the USB and go to the pattern screen. Open the USB pattern, select the design, and save it to the machine. Then exit to the USB menu and in the Design Management screen, select the saved design. Before installing the cap driver, we first need to select the cap frame parameters. Tap to enter the config screen, then tap the frame button and select the cap embroidery frame. Loosen the 2 black knobs on the cap driver. Then, install the cap driver onto the machine. During installation, make sure the roller section is in contact with the lower guide rail. Push it straight in. Align it with the holes on the guide rail. Then, tighten the screws to secure it. Insert the brim of the hat from the side of the needle plate. Installation from the front is not possible. Align the notch on the cap frame, along with the 3 latch openings, with the fixing blocks and latches on top driver. Then slide the cap frame into place. Once installed, move the cap frame forward and backward to make sure it is fully secured. We need to set the color change sequence. Enter the config screen and tap the color button. Since the design uses only 1 color, we only need to set a single color sequence. For this project, we are using the orange thread. So on the right side, select the orange embroidery thread, needle number 6. Once everything is set, tap Save to confirm. Tap the Enter the EMB screen, then tap the Trace Away button and select Normal Trace button. At this point, the machine will automatically switch the needle number 15 and trace the outline of the design. This allows you to clearly see the embroidery area. and check the design placement. If you find that the design is not centered on the hat, use the directional arrows to adjust the design position. Move the needle to the center of the hat. You can also tap the thread cut button to help confirm that the needle is aligned with the center of the hat. After positioning, we need to check the embroidery mode. Change the mode from M to A. M stands for manual mode. Color changes and sorting are done manually. A stands for automatic mode. The machine will change the colors and start automatically. Next, tap the start button to let the machine begin embroidering the hat. Now, let's take a look at the final result. It looks great, right? Okay, that's it for today's hat embroidery sharing with your PooLin EOM. Follow us for more videos like this. See you next time.